Hello friends, Running Kimono here. So we're going to talk about the deodorant deal over at Walgreens this week. I have gotten so many messages about this deodorant deal, so I'm just slapping together this quick little video. I know a lot of you want multiple deodorants, throw in your purse, throw it, your gym bag, have one at work. It's that time of the year where a lot of us are probably going through a lot of deodorant. So pour vous, here it is. So the digital coupon that you're going to want to load to your Walgreens account is the 10 off of 5. So the one at the bottom, the one at the top, you don't want that loaded because you don't want the dollar off 2 coming off. You want the larger one to come off. So please make sure you only have the one loaded. So as you can see, the secret deodorant that is attaching with this coupon are 2 for $11. So there's a whole host of Ladies Secret plus for the guys, we have some Old Spice as well for the same price point. Okay, guys, so if you look at it, 10 off of 5 secret Old Spice and or Gillette deodorants. So there it is. Please make sure to pick up the ones that are tagged and use the Walgreens app to scan to make sure that the coupons are attaching. Now, let's throw this in. I know a lot of you, maybe the Olay body wash was just not for you, or you're just like, I need deodorant. So if you might have this digitally, we're going to use it. If you have a paper one to throw with it, the two will stack, one digital and one paper. But we're just going to talk about the digital today because I know a lot of you probably don't have that paper one as well. And then here is the deal with this deodorant, that if you spend $25, you're going to get back $5 in Walgreens cash. Because the word spend is in this offer, along with that booster, you have to pay cash for the balance. So debit card, credit card, cash bills, don't use your Walgreens cash or you will not earn it back. Here's the mathematics for this one. Grabbing 5 of the secret deodorants, the 5th one will ring up for $5.50, just to note that. So that's $27.50 on the nose. So we are at our $25 threshold to earn that $5 back. Subtracting the 10 off of 5 digital, plus you're going to have your booster loaded, which is 5 back when you spend 20. You're going to pay $17.50 cash bills out of pocket. So debit card, credit card, or physical bills, you're paying that out of pocket. Then you're going to get back $5 of Walgreens cash for your booster, $5 back from the secret deal. So it makes it $7.50 for the 5 or $1.50 per deodorant. For a deodorant that's $6.99 each, to pay $1.50, that's really awesome. And let's not forget to not use your Walgreens cash or store register rewards to pay for this, or it will monkey everything up. Okay, so if you were going to apply for this, and yes, secret deodorant is part of it, it is to spend $20, get back $5 at pggoodeveryday.com/rebate. That's where you find the form to do this online. So you're at the total of $17.50 after your digital coupon. So you need to get a little bit more. So if you did a toothpaste deal and you could submit a second receipt, go onto the site and read the logistics of it. You possibly can get an extra $5, but you're going to have to do your homework on that. I know that for a lot of us that were getting the body wash yesterday, it was like 20 on the nose after all the digital coupons, so it was easier to do. But yeah, just to note that, but keep track. You possibly could get a gift card, if you're buying this PNG stuff, and submit it to the site. Now, to answer another question, for those of you that might have that 7 off 2 that was in a recent insert, well, can I put that with the 10 off of 5? The answer to that is no. As you see, it says only one manufacturer will apply at checkout. That is for both online and in-store. That goofy verbiage of one coupon per purchase, meaning only one will attach. So if you're trying to use multiple coupons on like one item, what'll happen, guys, is the register will only accept one, and that's why one coupon per purchase, that's what it means. So I would pick up the most high value coupon that you have and put that towards your basket so you're paying the least amount. As this is a digital deal, we're going with the 10 off of 5. Now, to answer another question, why is there no register rewards in this? Like, why? Are you rich all of a sudden? The answer to that is no. What I have found out in the last 2 months is that these sort of deals that I try to use manufacturer register rewards. Essentially what happens is that 10 off of 5 will get kicked out and only the register rewards will apply to the basket. And then I do not like calling customer service. I don't like being on the phone or doing the chat. I just don't like that sort of stuff. It's just a quirk of mine. So I would rather just pay it out than have to mess around for 2 hours with customer service with a coupon so valuable that got kicked out, and you're darn tootin' I will be knocking on their door for a $10 missing coupon. So it's just to save you that anxiety if you're anything like me or you're really busy. It is not worth 2 hours or an hour just to be on hold to wait for a $10 coupon. So just throwing it out there, and that's why it's been my experience for the last 2 months, even with filler items. And if deodorant is not your speed, check out the video that I posted yesterday. It'll be linked at the very end, where I got 5 Olay body washes and all this other magic for free. And it was a digital deal. How wonderful is that? The video will be linked at the very end. As always, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.